Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter number 2, that is Happy Prince. In this chapter I have already explained all the things, all the story. Okay students, I hope that you all have understand and you have also read at your home. Dear students, as I have told you to complete the question answer and other exercises of this chapter. So today we will discuss the question answer and other exercises of this chapter. Dear students, one thing I want that you write the word meaning by your own, which is given at the page number 18. Okay students, word meaning, it is already given in your book. So you will write from the book word meaning. I am going to write the question answer of this chapter. Okay students, so just open the book also. It is given here page number 19. Dear students, open page number 19. Question number first, answer the following question. Just here you will write the question in your copy as well, and I am going to write the answer only on the board. You will write the answer. Okay students, just see here exercise number first, and in which I am going to write the answer number first. Okay, what is the first question? Why was the prince called the Happy Prince? Dear students, in the previous classes I have told you why it is called the Happy Prince, because there was a smile on the lips of the Happy Prince, statue of the Happy Prince. Therefore it is known as the Happy Prince. Okay students, just write down the answer. As the prince had, dear students, you will write the question first. Okay, with the help of book, it is already given. I am going to write the answer only. Okay, after writing the question from the book, then you will write the answer from the board. If you have already written there, then no need to write. Only you watch the video, okay, and understand the things. As the prince had a smile on his lips, so he is called the Happy Prince. So he is called the Happy Prince. Called the Happy Prince. Happy Prince. Okay students, this is the answer of the first question. The question was, why was the prince called the Happy Prince? Because prince had a smile on his lips, so he is called the Happy Prince. Okay students, just write down the answer. Just write down this answer. As the prince had a smile on his lips, so he is called the Happy Prince. Now come to the question number second. Question number second. What is question number second? Where was the swallow? Where was the swallow? It was between the feet of the Happy Prince. What did the swallow see on looking up? And what did he see? In the previous classes I have told you, when he was going to sleep, at that time there are some drops of water. Some tears was dropped on the head of the swallow. So the swallow looked up and he saw that the statue was crying. The statue was weeping. It was in sad. Okay students, so write down the answer. Where was the swallow, and what did the swallow see on looking up? Just write down. There are two questions mentioned in one question, so we have to write the answer of both. The swallow was resting. The swallow was resting between the feet of the statue. The feet of the statue of the happy prince. Of the happy prince. This is the answer of first question. Okay, and another question is already mentioned here. What did the swallow see on looking up? Okay, students, just write down. Another thing, the swallow saw tears after leaving the lines from below. You will write the swallow saw tears coming out from the eyes of the statue of the happy prince on looking up. Okay, student, this is the answer. The swallow was resting between the feet of the statue of the happy prince, and the swallow saw tears coming out from the eyes of the statue of the happy prince on looking up. Okay, student, this is the answer of second question. Just write down. Okay, and the next question is, how did the happy prince help the poor woman? First write down the answer number first and second, then after you will write the question number third. And the question number third is, how did the happy prince help the poor woman? Okay, students, I am going to erase the first answer. Those who have already written, they will not write, they will only learn the answer. They will only watch the video carefully. And answer number C. The question was, how did the happy prince help the poor man? Okay, the happy prince, we all know that in the previous classes I have already told you that he saw that a lady, an old woman, was feeling very sad because he has no money to buy food. He has no money to buy the medicines for his son, for her son. But the happy prince saw all the things, and he helped that woman by giving a piece of jewels from the sword. Okay, student, so this is the answer. We will write the answer in systematic way. So the answer will be, the happy prince helped the poor woman helped the poor woman by giving one of the jewels, of his sword. Of his sword. Okay. This is the answer. The happy prince helped the poor woman by giving one of the jewels of his sword. Okay, by giving one of the jewels of his sword, the happy prince helped that woman, that poor woman. Okay, students. So this is the answer of question number C. Just write down, and after that write down the question number D from the book. Now we will do the answer of question number D. Okay. What is the question number D? The question number D is, why did the swallow not go to the warmer place? We all know that he did not go to the warmer place because the happy prince requested him not to go, not to leave him, because there are so many other works has been done with the help of that bird. Therefore, the bird swallow did not leave that place. Okay? Just see here. Just write down the question first. Why did the swallow not go to the warmer place? The swallow did not go. The swallow did not go to the warmer places. The swallow did not go to the warmer place because the happy prince requested the swallow not to leave him. This is because the happy prince wanted to get some more work, done with the help of swallow. Help of swallow. Okay, students, this is the answer number D. The swallow did not go to the warmer place because the happy prince requested the swallow not to leave him. This is because the happy prince wanted to get some more work done with the help of swallow. Okay, students, this is the answer number D. Now write down the question number E. The question number E. Now see, the question number E is, what were the two precious things that God ordered angels to bring? Dear students, in the previous classes we have read that the two things was the heart of the happy prince as well as the dead body of the swallow. These are the two precious things of that town, and the God ordered angels to bring, and the angels brought that two things, the heart of the happy prince as well as the dead body of the swallow. These two things are so precious in the eyes of God. Okay? So students, just write down the answer number E. The question was, what were the two precious things that God ordered angels to bring? You will write the question first, then after you will write the answer. Okay? I am going to write the answer. The two precious things that the two precious things that God ordered to bring God ordered to bring are the broken heart, of the happy prince, and the dead swallow, Okay students, I am going to erase the answer number D. I hope that you all have done. You see, heart of the prince and the dead swallow. Okay student, this is the answer number E. The two precious things that God ordered to bring are the broken heart of the prince and the dead swallow. Okay student, this is the answer. So in this way we have completed the question answer of chapter number 2, that is Happy Prince. Dear students, now open the book. We will do the exercises with the help of pencil in the book. Page number 19, we will do now true false. Okay students, now exercise number 2, that is true false. Okay, just put out the pencil, and now we will do the exercises given in the book, and no need to write all these exercises in your notebook. Okay, you will do all these exercises in the book with the help of pencil. So first question we will see here, the swallow and the happy prince were childhood friends. No, they were not childhood friends. So that is false. Just fill in the box, that is false. Okay, question number A is false. Now question number B. A drop of tear fell on the head of the swallow. Yes, that is true. A drop of tears fell on the head of the swallow in the night while the bird was going to sleep. At that time, a tears dropped on the head of the swallow bird. So he was surprised. The bird surprised, and he looked up. He saw that tears was coming from the eyes of the happy prince. Okay, students. Therefore, that is true. The old man was happy. No, he was not happy. But here the complete answer is, the old man was happy to get the jewels. Yes, after getting jewels he was happy. From the sword of the happy prince. Yes, that is true. Okay, answer number C is true. Now question number D. What is question number D? The match boxes of the young girl got wet due to rain. Not due to rain. Due to cold. Due to extreme cold. So that is false. Question number E. The god loved the swallow and the happy prince. Yes, because they did the noble task. They did the work for the mankind. Therefore, the god loved the swallow and the happy prince. Okay, students. So that is true. Okay, students. This is the exercise number second. That is true, false. The first one is false. Second true. Third true. D false. E true. Okay, students. So in this way we have completed the exercise number 2, that is true false. Now we will do the exercise number 3, that is filling the blanks. Okay, students, just put out the pencil and just do it. Filling the blanks. The workman found what they found? The heart of the happy prince. So in the first blank you will fill the heart, HEART. Okay, heart of the happy prince inside the statue. Now question number B. The dead swallow was laying in the heap of dust. Here you will fill the dust. Okay, now come turn the page number 20. The statue of the prince was to be placed with the statue of the mayor of the town. MAYOR. Okay. Question number D. What is question number D? That is, the swallow still lives in the garden of paradise. In the garden of paradise. GARDEN, garden of paradise. Paradise means students स्वर्ग होता है. Garden of paradise, where the noble people, where the God lives, where the angels live. Garden of paradise. Okay. Just see question number E. The happy prince never wanted to see any sad thing in his life. Okay, students. So this is all about the filling the blanks. In the first question you will fill the heart. In the question number B you will fill dust. In the question number C you will fill mayor. In the question number D you will fill garden of paradise. In the question number E you will fill the word sad. Okay, students, now we will do the other exercises. Exercise number 4, that is multiple choice question, that is tick on the correct option. Put a tick on correct option. Okay, students, you will not do in your copy these things. You will only fill all the things in your book. That is exercise number 4, that is multiple choice question, and in which we will discuss. There are 4 options already given. The swallow with his family members was on journey. No. Duty. No. Migration. Yes, migration is the correct answer. So third option is the correct, migration. Okay, that is the correct option. You will tick in front of the word migration. Question number B. Now see, when the happy prince gave away all the jewels from his body, it looked ugly or shabby. Okay, shabby is not given here, so correct answer will be ugly. Okay, first option is thin. No, that is wrong. Thick, that is wrong. Ugly. Okay, ugly. Ugly is the correct option, and this is correct option. You will tick on that. Okay, question number C. Just see here. The inside of the statue of the happy prince had jewels. No. Gold. No. Stones. No. Lead. It was made of precious lead. Second option is the correct. That is lead. Okay, students. This is the correct option. Option number second, lead, is the correct option in the question number C. Okay, students, do it. I'm going to write here. There is enough space. So I will write here question number D. What is the question number D? Just see, when the swallow died, it was found. When the swallow was died, it was found. Where it was thrown? Under the prince's feet? No. In the heap of dust? Yes. In the heap of dust is the correct option. The option number second is the correct option, that is heap of the dust. In the heap of dust. In the heap of dust. Okay, this is the correct option. We will tick on that. Okay, now question number E. Just see the question number E. The angels brought, the blank is given here. In the blank we will fill, and the option on the front of the option we will also tick. The angels brought the stone? No. Statue? No. Broken heart? Yes. So option number third is the correct, and you will also fill it broken heart. Okay, broken heart. BROKEN, broken heart is the correct option. So you will tick on that, and you will also fill in the blanks broken heart. Okay students, in this way your all exercises and question answer has been completed. Okay, so you will do all these exercises in your book, and you will write the word meaning as well as question answer. Okay, word meaning and question answer must be written in your notebook. Okay students, in this way I have completed the chapter number 2, that is Happy Prince. Okay students, if you have any kind of problem, you can mention in the comments or ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thanks for today.